Carpet flooring stores in Arizona. Express floor carpets are the most durable and affordable choices offered in Arizona. Express Flooring has discount outlets in Phoenix and Tucson. We sell carpet flooring of superior quality, texture, and beauty from top carpet manufacturers. Express Flooring carpets come in a variety of designs and patterns. We offer many carpet styles like a cut pile, loop pile, woven, needle felt, knotted multi-tone, plush, and tufted. Express Flooring even carries styles of carpet specifically created for children. The DNA of this carpet fiber has a built-in stain protection system. It has a solution that is used to clean medical supplies and unpleasant odors. Express Flooring also provides pet-friendly carpet flooring. We ensure hassle-free quotes and numerous discounts to meet any size budget. You can give us a call anytime to set up an in-home estimate or enter your specifications online with our free in-home estimate form. Express Flooring's trained professional staff provides years of expert advice with the latest designs and trends for your home. Pick from our exquisite collections provided by multiple carpet manufacturers and decide which carpet flooring would look the best in your home. Choose your carpet flooring with us and we will provide you an estimate with no hidden costs or fees. Get value for your money with our guaranteed lifetime installation warranty service. Express Flooring carpets will be repaired or replaced at no cost to you if anything ever goes wrong. Use our Room Scene Creator tool to view thousands of name brand discount carpets in your home. Click on the Carpet Manufacturers tab colored in red. Below the Carpet Manufacturers tab, you will see a luxurious collection of hand-picked carpets we sell. You will be guided to a Room Scene Creator with an ample range of carpets. You can then pick the carpet you like and see how it would look on your floor. The sales experts at Express Flooring are pleased to assist you in choosing superior carpets. For a free carpet installation estimate, click here. Carpet Flooring and Installation, Arizona. Nowadays, everyone wants their homes to look beautiful, elegant, and most importantly, want to maintain its beauty throughout their lifetime. Whether planning for remodeling or building a new home, flooring plays a key role in design decisions. Among all the flooring types, carpet flooring is one of the best floorings for your home today. In fact, it is one of the ideal floorings to add comfort, beauty, and warmth to any room. Express Flooring Arizona stores offer many carpet options in a variety of types that can add elegance and coziness to your entire house. To understand in detail the qualities of carpet flooring, we need to go through all of the carpet types, carpet options, and benefits of carpet flooring. What is carpet flooring? Carpet is made from wool or synthetic fibers, such as polypropylene, nylon, or polyester, which is attached to a backing and generally stapled to the floor or other material underneath. The most imperative thing to know about carpet flooring is the material that is used to make the carpets, as it will determine its quality, appearance, feel, durability, and price. Moreover, the carpet fibers used in carpet generally comprises 80% of the material, so it always plays a major role in determining the quality and overall price of the carpet. Earlier, carpets were used mostly in the living area of the house. But now, a variety of carpet options available make it compatible with almost every surface and can be installed in bedrooms and children play areas too. Express Flooring has come up with many carpet types, such as nylon carpet and wool carpets, that are not only environmentally friendly, but also available in a variety of patterns and textures. To understand carpet flooring in a better way, we need to understand the carpet types, carpet fibers, and carpet styles. Different types of carpets. The manufacturing of carpet involves the sewing of various strands of yarn into a backing material that creates thousands of soft loops. They are either created in cut pile carpet, loop carpet, or the combination of both carpet types. Cut pile carpet. Cut pile carpet is manufactured by cutting the yarn loops in such a way that produces an upright pile, which creates a more luxurious and formal look. Plush pile, cut pile twist, Saxony, and frieze carpets are all cut pile carpets. Loop carpet. Loop carpet comprises of loops of yarn that make it softer and smooth as compared to other carpet options. Also, by combining higher and lower loops with the range of distinctive patterns, it creates a stylish finish which is unmatchable. Level loop pile, multi-level loop pile, sisal, and Berber carpets are all loop carpets. Cut and loop carpet. Combination of cut pile carpet and loop carpet also creates many different patterns and unique styles. Sculptured and patterned effects such as squares, swirls, and more are also possible with this carpet type. So select the best carpet type depending on your needs and create the look that you want most. Types of carpet fibers. Wool carpet. Among all of the carpet options, wool carpet is the most favored carpet because of its natural beauty. Its luxurious and soft feel make it a comfortable indulgence. It is an expensive carpet flooring and is a good option for homeowners to whom luxury matters. Moreover, wool carpet is a tough and stain-resistant carpet as it releases stains very quickly. At Express Flooring, you will find the best carpet options. Nylon carpet. Nylon carpet is the most durable and stain-resistant carpet fiber available provided it is treated with stain-resistant protection. It is cheaper than wool with sturdiness and resilience. Nylon carpet can also withstand high traffic and is the best fiber for families with children and pets. You will find the best carpet options in various colors and density at Express Flooring carpet stores. Polyester carpet. Polyester or polypropylene carpets are known for its luxurious look, feel, and a wonderful selection of colors and styles. It is affordable and durable for houses with normal traffic. At Express Flooring Tucson carpet stores, you will also find this carpet flooring in wide ranges, which can be a good value for your home. Carpet considerations. There is no doubt that with so many carpet options, you will get the exact feel you want for your home. But carpet flooring comes with its own considerations that are imperative to know. Consider how the room is used. Exposure to your carpet. Amount of traffic in the room or area. The amount of light that is reaching the room. Maintenance of carpet flooring. Chance of spills and stains. Enough time for proper care and maintenance. Vacuuming regularly. Using floor mats in high-traffic areas. Get your carpet flooring professionally cleaned every 18 to 24 months. Color and style. Depending upon how the given space will be utilized, opt for a color level of vibrancy that is desired. Choose the color according to the room usage, as lighter shades require more cleaning as compared to darker ones. The various popular carpet styles. Saxony carpet. Saxony is a cut pile carpet that is an iconic carpet style in the field of carpeting. It ranges from a velvety appearance to textured ones, which make it suitable to any of the decors. Berber carpet. Berber is a loop carpet available in almost all color ranges. As it is available in small as well as large chunky loops, they are suitable for residential and commercial purposes too. Frieze carpet. Frieze is the textured and tightly twisted carpet style which is also a popular carpet flooring. With a messy appearance and high twist of fibers, this carpet type is highly durable and tough. Cut pile carpet and loop carpet combined. This carpet style is a trendy option in carpet flooring. The pattern made combining cut pile and loop pile ranges from pin dot style to geometric designs, thus offering a wide variety of designs, patterns, and textures for your flooring. Price. Lastly, considering the price of the different types of carpet fibers. Depending upon your budget, you can choose from various carpet options that are available at Express Flooring. Indoor and outdoor carpeting. Earlier carpets were confined to spaces that were only indoors and were less utilized. But with a large number of colors, textures, and patterns available in carpet flooring, indoor-outdoor carpets are also an attractive choice, especially for outdoor areas such as sunrooms, patios, etc. These carpets boast aggressive qualities and performance characteristics such as being stain-resistant, moisture-repellent, ability to face adverse weather conditions, which make you assured that your floors will stay beautiful for many years to come. Carpet installation. Carpet installation is also very imperative to consider, as a properly installed carpet not only enhances the beauty of your room, but provides insulation, sound control, and a comfortable surface to walk on. So, for the best installation of your carpet flooring, experts at Express Flooring will help you shop the carpet option that is right for your home. Schedule your installation once your carpet is available. Reach out to set up your home for installation. Follow the installation process depending on the quote for your project. Deliver and install your beautiful new carpet on time and with desired quality. Most favorable carpet brands. Express Flooring carries the favorable carpet brands: Mohawk, Shaw, Masland, Beaulieu, Stainmaster, Milliken, Lee's, Bliss by Beaulieu, etc. In carpet flooring, and offers expert installation with a free lifetime installation warranty. They will not only guide you through all of the colors and patterns, but will help you to decide upon the various varieties depending upon where it will be placed, the amount of traffic it will get, and the size of your budget. Express Flooring offers hand-picked collections for every carpet type, in every carpet option, and in every style in stores with free carpet installation. Benefits of carpet flooring. Carpet flooring offers the best appearance and style. Safe for children and seniors. Comfort and warmth. Offers best acoustic and sound properties. Creates a safe and healthy environment with good air quality. Available in various carpet types and carpet options. Sustainability. Durable if properly maintained. Carpet flooring is still valued for its comfort, color, texture, and warmth. Distinctive textures and patterns have made carpet options a focus on various interior projects. Moreover, finding the best carpet and best carpet installation doesn't have to be a daunting process. Express Flooring stores offer awesome carpet types and styles to consider that are distinctive, affordable, and surely create a classic and elegant look for your home.